I'm going to be making some brisket sliders and topping them with a jalapeno coleslaw. What I'm going to be using for the coleslaw is just a bag of pre-made coleslaw, a bottle of coleslaw dressing, and just some jalapenos in a jar that I already had. So the first thing I want to do is get my coleslaw assembled. I'm just going to pour a little bit of it in a bowl. And then I'm going to gradually start adding this coleslaw dressing until I get the consistency I want. Finally, I'm just going to do the same thing with the jalapenos, just kind of adding more and more until I get just the right consistency of heat. I want a little heat, but I don't want it like hot. By the way, if you do happen to have some extra time and you just kind of want to take it to the next level with the coleslaw, I actually made some grilled jalapeno coleslaw once that was really off the chain, man. And basically, I just took whole fresh jalapenos, put them on the grill for a minute, got them charred up, and then cut those up and put it in the salad. It was off the chain. So definitely try that if you have time, man. So the next thing I want to do is toast my buns. Always toast your buns, man. You want to level it up, spread them with some butter, takes it up to another level. So I got those toasted. Now it's time to warm up the brisket, and you can do this any way you want, man. You can just put some in a bowl or something, pop them in the microwave, and heat them up like that. I wanted to get a little texture and mix in the cheese and stuff, make it look good for the video, so I did mine in a cast iron skillet. And we're just gonna move it around until the fat starts to melt a little bit, things start to warm up. Then I'm just gonna put my cheese in there and melt it inside of the brisket so I don't have to put it on top. Just makes the whole thing easier. Only thing left to do now is put it together, man. All right, so as promised, I want to give you the link to a full-length brisket tutorial. Takes you from start to finish, from the trim to the rest and everything in between, the slice and all of that. You can check that out right here. Also, you'll find a link to that grilled jalapeno coleslaw that I wanted you to see. Check those out next, and see you next time on Run on the Grill.